Hello, my name is Rehisha. I recently completed my PhD from IIIT-Bangalore as part of graduating 2025 batch. My doctoral research was conducted under the guidance of Professor Uttam Kumar. We do a lot of work on how the geospatial technologies can be used for different application. By my research was more on urban science or urban studies.
Can you explain your research in a way that someone without a technical background can understand?
Sure. My research is more on urban science, how cities are evolving. My case study was in Bangalore because we know that in India, main rapid urbanization is happening in many developing cities. And what we have done, we have collected some kind of a satellite imageries from the history, like 1970s to till date. Last 5 decades of satellite imageries were collected, and then we identify how the expansion is happening and which direction urbanization is happening, then understanding the driving factors like what influencing these kind of urbanization in Bangalore. Then what we have, we could model it like how the future Bangalore will look like. Then these kind of studies are very helpful for any kind of a decision makers, urban planners, to make the city or plan the city in a better way. And another major issue with the Bangalore is that the transportation issues, right? The Bangalore city is infamous for traffic congestion issues. So we thought of doing some kind of a research in understanding how well the roads are connected within city or in and around Bangalore city. So ward level analysis also we could do it, like which are the cities have a good connection or which does not have a good connection. Then in the final stage, we could relate how the settlement and road networks are connected, how much it is related. So if we have a settlement pattern in your hand, we could predict it how much should be the road network pattern for that particular area. So that was the overall like my doctoral research work was more or less on urban studies.
What kind of support did you receive from IIIT Bangalore for presenting your work at conferences both in India and abroad?
I got a lot of opportunities to present my research work at in both international or even national level. IIIT helped a lot of financial assistance or even support to present my work. Initially, 2023, I could visit United States to present one of my paper from my PhD work. Then also the IIIT helped me to be part of a lot of IEEE societies. I am a part of GRSS community. I could serve as a regional chapter coordinator for GRSS, and these kind of a position helped me to grab different travel grants. And 2024, I could visit Italy and attend a summer school, how the latest technologies can be useful for geoscience related work. Then, two more papers got accepted for the upcoming ICAS 2025. It is going to happen in Australia. So, most of the international or even national conferences or travel, I could get a lot of travel grant from a triple IT side or from other institutions as well.
What was the most difficult challenge you faced during your research and how did you overcome it?
My research journey started with a lot of challenges because I came from a not non-IT background. My undergraduate was in civil engineering, and my master's was in geoinformatics. But a lot of program-intensive coursework at IIIT, I felt a bit difficult to pursue because 1 year of coursework was a bit difficult for me. But my mentor, Professor Uttam Kumar, and even other professors at IIIT helped me to, and they motivated in all the stages actually. And what they keep learning something small and every be consistent in learning, and that motivated me to work on many programming things. And I started learning my first programming language as a Python. Once I overcome that fear, now I could maybe after 1 or 2 years of experience in programming, now I started working with a lot of research activities, data driven research, intense data driven activities in Python. So that was the major challenge initially I faced. The next challenge was identifying the right problem statement for my research work, because my graduation or even whatever background I have, it should align with my research. And that took some time for me to explore topics, because I spend a lot of time to do the literature work and framing the thesis into a proper shape and all. And of course, mentors from IIIT, Professor Uttam Kumar or Professor J.R. Srivalsan Iyer, Raj Gopalan sir, all these professors, like the committee members, helped me a lot to, they help me to frame the work into a proper shape.
Balancing research with personal life can be challenging. How did you manage that balance during your PhD journey?
Balancing research with a personal life is very, very challenging, especially for a married Indian woman with the two kids. But I got a lot of support from a triple IT side or even from my family side. I still remember when I was doing my research in the third year or fourth year, continuously I used to sit in my lab till 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock because I feel that this institution is second home for me. And during that late night, my husband used to come and pick. Then those small things made the big difference for in my life. Then my parents, in-laws, they taking care of my kids during my absence. Triple IT side also, I got a lot of support, like in case of infrastructure support or even working environment is really really good in Triple IT, and I feel like a home. I'm very comfort in my lab, and I feel I continue doing my research with interest and passion. Overall, my experience at a IIIT is very good, and those who are interested in pursuing their research, you can consider IIIT as the best option, because apart from your mentor, you will get a lot of guidance from other professors as well, and all the professors are approachable here at IIIT. And in my opinion, this is the best place to do research. Thank you.